Glam fam, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you all the end results of the little tray that I made. It's just to go in my kitchen to hold some lotions and some hand sanitizers, dish washing, those little pods that go in the dishwasher, I'm sorry. But this is how it turned out, and I really like it because of the colors, y'all. I'm just like so in love with my colors. And I'm going to do a tour of my kitchen in about a day or two because I got some things that I'm still trying to do. But this is the tray, and y'all please do not pay attention to the background of this video because I have so much stuff to do. But that's my coffee bar, my spice rack and stuff, y'all. But I'm going to show you all my vignettes. This is a vignette over my stove. I'm still painting the sides and doing all of that, y'all. But this is oh, and y'all, my towel is like to die for. I love this towel in my kitchen. It's like a bling type of thing, and I got this tile from Zyflart.com. I'm doing my cabinets and all that kind of stuff, so you know, I just wanted to show y'all this vignette. It is like, well, I am actually going to make another they call it a noodle board, but mine is going to be Glam. I haven't seen any Glam noodle boards, but one. And I'm going to try to make one to go on top of here because this tray has to go in my bedroom, and I'm doing everything over, y'all. So, you know, everything in the background, y'all, just is ugly, but I'm getting it together. So these are some little, these came from DD's. There's just some little decor, and I made these coasters, and these are the wine bottles that I made, y'all. They turned out kind of cute. And I made these little cups out of crushed glass and crushed diamonds. And I had some gold in there. I don't know where that gold came from, but it was some in there. Anyway, that's it. So y'all stay tuned for my Glam kitchen reveal. I got a laundry reveal. I got a bedroom reveal coming, living room reveal coming, my guest bathroom upstairs reveal coming, my guest room reveal coming. So those are some of the things that I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to end up putting in each video all of the DIYs pertaining to that particular video. You know, I'm gonna, you know, put it up or whatever. And also, y'all, I am doing a sconce series where I'm gonna make, I think, about 8 sconces, 2 per day. I think I'm gonna do that next week, but it's like something that anybody could do. So I'm gonna try to do that so I can show you like a Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General type sconces that are really super glam. So y'all, thank y'all for, like I said, the support that y'all have been giving me on these videos and stuff like that. I'm hoping that I can reach 10,000 in a month. I'm gonna give myself a month. But anyway, y'all, the kitchen is gonna be teal, black, silver. I chose those colors, and I've actually had this for a long time. I'm just actually like doing the kitchen over. So, you know, I hope y'all like everything that y'all see, but I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of my bedroom too. Y'all, it's so, well, let me be quiet, but it's gonna be blush pink, white, and silver. It's so pretty. But stay tuned for the DIYs in each room. I'm going to try to link all of them in the description box for each video tour that I do. So if y'all like how I did this glam stuff, if y'all like how I did it, then y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for the best glam DIY.